but he is slightly indisposed and he could not fly. I have with me Dr. Aisha Pasha, our Special Assistant and Ministry of State, and Dr. Tariq Bajwa, a very learned person, but he has to be flexible to make our exports flexible and promote our exports. That's extremely important. He's very knowledgeable, but then, you have to, ease your pocket in the first place to get more dollars and more foreign exchange. Textile has absorbed in this sector to the tune of about 40%. It is no doubt one of the largest sector of Pakistan's economy. And I want to make it very clear, rather abundantly clear, that despite financial challenges, we all know about it, we'll discuss it in